Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to cook chicken tinola. Here's what we need for this recipe. You may pause the video to list down all the ingredients. Heat cooking oil in a pan. Once the cooking oil is hot, add chopped onion. Saute chopped onion until it turns translucent or semi-transparent. Add minced garlic. Saute minced garlic until you can already smell its aroma. Add ginger strips. Saute ginger strips for about 20 seconds. Add the chicken. Saute for about 30 seconds and let the flavor of the onion, garlic, and ginger to be absorbed by the chicken. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add fish sauce, ground black pepper, water, and chicken cubes. Cover and wait for the water to boil. Once the water is already boiling, add sayote, cover and simmer for 30 minutes in medium heat. After 30 minutes, add daon ng sili or daon ng malunggay. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, your chicken tinola is ready to be served. Thank you for watching, guys! Please like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Bye!